Hi, hello everyone. I am Praveen Dikshit, PUT Physics at BF Public School, and I have one other personality with me. That is the Vice Principal of BF Public School and also the PUT Biology. Sir, please come with me.
Hello dear students.
Now we have a good news for the students of 12th class which are going to appear in the board examination of 2020 and 21.
And this good news is a new syllabus for class 12, and I think it is very helpful for the students because time is reduced from the 12 months to 9 months due to this lockdown.
So the good news for you is the board reduce your 30% of the syllabus in physics, chemistry, biology and some other subjects. I am PUT physics, so I am discussing about the physics, and Mr. Akhlaq is PUT biology, so he discussed about the biology. So your new syllabus is, let I tell you what is your new syllabus. In your first chapter of 12th class, chapter 1 electric charge and field, the electric field due to the spherical cell have been deleted now inside or outside, means spherical cell वाला portion अब आपको read करने की need नहीं है. In our next chapter, the chapter 3, the current electric field, carbon resistors are no more, color coding are now removed from your syllabus. For carbon resistor, sleeve and parallel combination are also not there. Now in the next unit, chapter 4, the cyclotron device is removed now. Chapter 5, magnetism and matter. In this particular chapter, the magnetic field intensity due to a magnetic dipole, that is a bar magnet, is now not a part of your syllabus. Along its axis, the magnetic field, along its equatorial, the magnetic field, the torque on magnetic dipole, the work done in rotating a magnetic dipole, these all parts are deleted now from your syllabus. Now also the dia-para-ferromagnetism and the magnetic substance, dia, para and ferro, is not now in the part of the 12th syllabus. Now the chapter 7, that is the alternating current, power factor is now reduced from the syllabus and botless current is also not there. Chapter 8, the electromagnetic waves, basic idea of displacement current. It means there is no need to read the displacement current now for the particular session 2020-21. The chapter 9, this is the most important chapter for the 12th class. This is ray optics and optical instrument. So the reflection of light is not now in the syllabus. Spherical mirror formula is not now in the syllabus, and the scattering of light is also removed from your syllabus. The blue color of sky and the reddish appearance of the sun at the sunset and sunrise is also removed. Now the revolving power of the astronomical telescope and microscope and with the Brewster law is not the part of your syllabus. Now we are moving towards our next chapter, the chapter number 11, which is the common part of physics and chemistry, dual nature of radiation. In this particular chapter, Davison-Zermer experiment is not now in the syllabus of 12th class. And the next chapter is nuclei. It is common with the chemistry. Radioactivity is removed. Alpha, beta and gamma particles and their decays are not now in the syllabus. Alpha, beta, gamma rays properties are not now in the syllabus. Radioactivity, Curie law, half-life of the mean life of radioactive substance is not now in the syllabus. Binding energy per nucleon is also removed. It means the graph is also removed from your syllabus. Its variation with mass number. Now the next and last chapter is chapter 40, that is semiconductor and electronic devices. So in this particular part, Zener diode is not now is a part of your syllabus and its characteristics is also removed. Zener diode as a voltage regulator is not now in the part of your syllabus. Now in case of your practical examinations, no investigatory projects and no activity is to be demonstrated in laboratory. ये आप लेबोरेटरी में डेमोस्ट्रेट करने से फ्री हो गए, ना तो आपको एक्टिविटी करनी है, ना कोई इन्वेस्टिगेटरी प्रोजेक्ट बनाना है। बट 8 एक्सपेरिमेंट आर देयर। अभी तक आप ओवरऑल 10 एक्सपेरिमेंट करते थे 12th में मिनिमम, अब आपको मिनिमम 8 एक्सपेरिमेंट रिक्वायर्ड रहेंगे। तो दिस इज योर फिजिक्स सिलेबस। नाउ द बायोलॉजी सिलेबस इज डिस्कस्ड बाय मिस्टर अखिलेश सिंह। यस सर प्लीज।
सो सर ने अभी आपको बताया कि फिजिक्स में क्या क्या सिलेबस डिलीट हुआ है। नाउ अब हम डिस्कस करेंगे अबाउट द सिलेबस ऑफ क्लास 12 बायोलॉजी। द फर्स्ट यूनिट रिप्रोडक्शन एंड द चैप्टर 1 रिप्रोडक्शन इन ऑर्गेनिज्म। द टॉपिक्स which are deleted: reproduction characteristic, features of all organisms constituting asexual and sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction में binary fusion, sporulation, budding, gamule formation, fragmentation, vegetative propagation डिलीट किया गया है। फिर नेक्स्ट जो है जेनेटिक्स एंड इवोल्यूशन में चैप्टर 7 इवोल्यूशन ऑलमोस्ट डिलीट किया गया है। फिर भी मैं आपको टॉपिक बता दे रहा हूँ। Origin of life, biological evolution and evidences for biological evolution are deleted. Comparative anatomy, embryology and molecular evidences, these are also deleted from the syllabus. Darwin's contribution, modern synthetic theory of evolution, mechanism of evolution, variation, mutation and recombination, these topics are also removed from your syllabus. And even natural selection with example, all type of natural selection, gene flow, genetic drift, Hardy-Weinberg principle, adaptive radiation and human evolution, these are also deleted from your syllabus. Now the next topic from the human welfare, strategies for enhancement in food production, animal husbandry, plant breeding, tissue culture and single cell protein, that is SCP, is removed from your syllabus. The next, ecology and environment, chapter 14 ecosystem, ecosystem patterns, component, productivity and decomposition is removed from your syllabus. Energy flow also, pyramids of number is deleted. Biomass, energy, nutrient cycling like carbon cycle and phosphorus cycle is deleted from your syllabus. Ecological succession in ecological services, carbon fixation, pollination, seed dispersion and oxygen release. In brief, this is deleted from your syllabus. And the last chapter, environmental issues, air pollution and its control deleted, water pollution and its control deleted, agrochemical and their effect, solid waste treatment and solid waste management, it is also deleted from your syllabus. Radioactive substances and their uses also deleted from your syllabus. Greenhouse effect, climate change, impact of migration, ozone layer depletion is also deleted from your syllabus. And the next is environmental issues, that is the some case study, these are also deleted from your syllabus. Now we are talking about the experiment, that is the practical. Study the presence of suspended particulate matter in air at two widely different sites. This practical is deleted from your syllabus. And the next is quadrant method by the plant population and its density and frequency quadrant. This is also deleted from your syllabus. And some slides, that is the pollen germination slide preparation is deleted from your syllabus. And the Mendelian inheritance using the seeds of different color size of any plant, this is also deleted from your syllabus. And the controlled pollination, the practical is emasculation, bagging and tagging, this is also removed from your syllabus. So these are the topics which are deleted from your syllabus. So update your syllabus by your, इसको कट कर दें